Unfortunately, Kentucky has a lot of unique health problems that are sometimes more pronounced than many other parts of the country. We see the worst of some particular types of disease. Certain cancers, obesity, diabetes tend to particularly plague Kentuckians. So, inasmuch as we're faced with that problem, we have a terrific opportunity to do clinical research that can be most effective at making those Kentuckians better. So it's our responsibility here at UK to teach. It's our responsibility to care for Kentuckians. It's our responsibility to develop that new knowledge, and we're really the logical ones to do that.
There's a lot of disease out there. There's a huge burden of human disease. And ultimately, we want to fix that. We want to cure that. We want to come up with tomorrow's cures and treatments.
And that we're all, at the end of the day, trying to improve human health on some level.
We don't find solutions unless we test.
The clinical trials help us to understand disease and to take new therapies as they come out of our bench science and move them into the clinic.
The nice thing about clinical trials is that although they are research and although they are often involve a control condition, they do bring a potential new efficacious treatment to the state that folks might not otherwise get.
You couldn't buy it on the market, but that you can get through a clinical trial. So therapies that could be healing, could be even life-saving, that wouldn't otherwise be available.
Oh, I feel really good about that you don't have to go all the way to MD Anderson Hospital in Houston, Texas in order to get good quality care.
And I hear it a lot from people that participate in research, is you might actually change the lives of people in the future. So you're giving back to humanity as you're trying to gain health and longevity yourself, and that's a beautiful gift, and we all really appreciate it and respect it.
Makes it feel real good, you know, you actually see it, and you know, some things are really going to be happening to help people, you know, and you're a part of it, you know.
If we didn't have patients who were agreeable to being research subjects, there would be no research, and the advancement of healthcare would stop, period.